सरापा नालाए बेदादे सोजे जिंदगी हो जा, सपंदाजा गिरा में बांध रखी है सदा तूने. You should be the spokesman of life. You should be the narrator of truth. You should be the one who should tell the whole world what the true meaning of life is. But that's not how it is. You are tongue-tied. You can't speak. You can't express. You're waiting for some time, some miraculous time when people will come to know the truth. They will not until you speak out. सफाए दिल को क्या आराइशे रंगे ताल्लुक से कफ़े आईना पर बांधी है ओ नादा हिना तूने. You value too much your relationship with all kinds of people. You just want to look good. You just want to please everybody. But that's not how it is. You should look into yourself. You should first please your own self by making yourself more knowledgeable, by making yourself more strong. Because if you don't make yourself strong and you rely on other people's opinions only, then it will be like putting henna in the mirror instead of putting it on your hand. ज़मीं क्या आसमां तेरे कजबीनी पे रोता है, गजब है सत्रे कुरान को चलीपा कर दिया तूने. Your short-sightedness is so severe. Your vision is so short that not only earth but even the sky cries on your state. Because what Quran was supposed to be, you have changed it altogether. Quran was guidance for you. You were supposed to read and understand Quran so you can follow it and you can help other people understand it. But that didn't happen. You just kept it in one corner of your house and you just used it for blessing. And that is something that has destroyed everything in Muslim society.